Hi there, welcome to the Watertown Free Public Library Online. My name is Chikavri and I am the Digital Services Librarian at WFPL. Today I'd like to introduce NoveList, which can be used to discover your next great read. To get to NoveList, start at watertownlib.org and hover over the Find It menu. Select Online Resources, then find NoveList under the Books and Reading heading. Click the NoveList link and the page should open in a new tab. Enter your 14-digit library card number, then click Login. From the home page, we have several different places where we can start. The left side here has recommended reading lists that are curated by NoveList staff for different age ranges. The middle section allows you to explore some combinations of book qualities, browse various genres, or learn more about a genre. For example, if you click on Mystery, you can see some explanations of the genre, book lists for specific genres, and some general resources. Going back to the homepage, let's explore the top menu. You can use Browse By to specifically select genres, appeals, themes, or award winners. Especially For has resources for library professionals and educators. Quick Links has a collection of frequently accessed resources, and How Do I gives suggestions for using NoveList. Let's try a search. We'll look at The Secrets We Kept, which is this year's One Book, One Watertown. From here you can see the characteristics of the book, including genre, themes, character traits, storyline style, and writing style. From here you can also find read-alikes on the right side, and if you were to click on the author's name, you would see a full list of titles that they have written. However, Laura Prescott is a debut author, so there won't be anything else on the list for now. If we scroll down, you can use the Search for More tool to find something similar based on the characteristics assigned to this book. So if you say chose an engaging writing style, LGBTQIA diverse characters, and a sweeping storyline, you'll receive recommendations based on those characteristics. And then from these search results, you can add limiters to narrow down what you're looking for. Let's try adding the funny tone limiter. As you can see, the search has been narrowed down, and you can explore each title to see if it's something that you want to read. NoveList also has another interesting feature called the Appeal Mixer. Instead of going from a title you know you like, you can use the Appeal Mixer to select characteristics and find something interesting to read. From the home page, click on Try Our Appeal Mixer. From here, we can select any 3 category and appeal factor combinations. Let's try a snarky character, a world building storyline, and fast pace. Let's see what comes up. As you can see, we appear to be getting quite a few sci-fi and fantasy titles, most likely due to that world building storyline modifier. If we change that, say to intricately plotted, we are going to get a little bit of overlap, but we're also getting some very, very different titles. This information can also be found as an embedded widget in our catalog. If we go to the Minuteman Library Network catalog and search for The Secrets We Kept, once we view the title page, we can scroll down and see both read-alikes and similar authors that have been imported from NoveList. Clicking on one of the similar titles brings up an explanation for why this title was recommended, and you can click the Find It button to perform a search in the catalog. If you go back to the page, you can also click on these story elements for more options. If you're still having trouble deciding what to read, you can request individualized recommendations from one of our librarians. From watertownlib.org, hover over the Find It button and select Recommendations. Choose an age range and then fill out the form to receive custom-based recommendations based on your answers and any other input you'd like to add. That's just a quick introduction to your online Reader's Advisory options featuring NoveList. From all of us at WFPL, have a good read and a great day.